Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons. Today we're doing Patreon in review to let you know what the 5 videos are that were released this week on my Patreon channel. So if you're a patron and you haven't watched them, pop over, and if you're not a patron, please consider joining us. It's $5 a month, which is a steal. You're getting 20 videos a month about things that are more in-depth or more coaching kind of videos. And there's no advertising, which is always a plus. Okay, these are the things we talked about this week. When he is a mess, breaking through the frozen barrier, wrapping up Christmas, movement is a gift, and finally, are you overwhelmed with FlyLady at Christmas? All right, those are the 5. I hope you pop over and watch them. I can't wait to see you there. Have a great day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.